In this video, let us solve some problems based on midpoint theorem. So the first question is, ABCD is a quadrilateral. So you have ABCD, which is a quadrilateral, in which P, Q, R and S are midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Okay, so you have a quadrilateral. Figure is already given to you. You have a quadrilateral ABCD, and here you have P, which is a midpoint of side AB, means this side will be equal to this side. Q is a midpoint of side BC, means this side is equal to this side. Then you have R, which is a midpoint of side CD, means this side will be equal to this side. And S is a midpoint of side AD, means this is equal to this. Okay, then you have AC, which is a diagonal. So you have joined the diagonal. What you have to show here is SR is parallel to AC. So you have to show SR is parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. First thing. Second, you have to show that PQ is equal to SR. PQ is equal to SR. And third condition, you have to show that PQRS is a parallelogram. So first let us show that SR is parallel to AC. Now you know that if you look at this here, it is like this triangle ACD and you have SR over here. So now you know that you have to show that SR is parallel to AC. So it is already given that these two are midpoints of these two sides AD and CD respectively. So now if we can directly use the midpoint theorem here to show that these two sides are parallel. So for that we have to take this triangle ADC. So in triangle ADC we have S and R are the midpoints of the side AD and CD respectively. So we can directly say that SR is parallel to AC. Also SR is half of AC. What is the reason? Because of midpoint theorem, which says the line segment joining the midpoint of the two sides is parallel to the third side, and SR is half of AC. Now let us see the second one. Second one, you have to show that PQ is parallel to SR. Okay, what we know is to show PQ is parallel to SR, let us take the triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, P is the midpoint of the side AD. Okay, P is the midpoint of the side. So in triangle ABC, we have P is the midpoint of the side AB and Q is the midpoint of the side CB. Okay. Then from by midpoint theorem we know PQ will be parallel to AC and PQ will be half of AC. Correct? PQ is parallel to AC. If you take this triangle, since these two are midpoints of these two sides, PQ will be parallel to AC and PQ will be half of AC. So from 1 we know SR is half of AC and PQ is also half of AC. So since both are equal to the same things, we can say SR is equal to PQ. From 1 and 2 we have SR is equal to PQ. The third condition is we have to show that PQRS is a parallelogram. So from first condition we saw PQ is parallel to SR and PQ is equal to SR, right? From the first condition we saw PQ is parallel to SR, correct? PQ we got it parallel to SR. PQ is parallel to SR. What is the reason? SR is parallel to AC and PQ is also parallel to AC. So SR will be parallel to PQ. And we also got that PQ is equal to SR. Then we have already learned one theorem which says one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is parallel and equal, then we can say that the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So using this theorem we have shown that PQRS is a parallelogram.